Welcome, it's Denome. This video is a market update for the Bitcoin and crypto markets, and this video is going to be very, very important because Bitcoin just reached the all-time high, previous all-time high. It did not go over the all-time high, but it touched it, and now we had a small pullback already. So in my opinion, we're going to have a further pullback going forward. So what I'm here to say is take some profits out right now, or I will recommend you to consider taking some profits out just because we may have a pullback, and obviously you want to secure some profits as well. And I have made a specific video on profit taking that I still follow to this day, and it is this ultimate altcoin profit taking strategy. And many people who have watched this video have told me after the previous bull run that this strategy has saved them a lot of money. They were able to secure bags that they otherwise wouldn't have been able to save, and this strategy I'm still using to this very day. So this is a very, very important strategy if you want to take profits in a professional and consistent manner, and not gamble on this market, but to actually invest and profit from this market. So this video here I suggest watching for profit taking. And just for Bitcoin, as you can see, the case we had was that we will go and revisit the all-time high, and then we will have a pullback. And before, when we take a look at what kind of pullbacks Bitcoin has had, you can see it had a 21% pullback here, and here we had a pullback of about 21%. So if we have another 20% pullback here on Bitcoin, that will take the price of Bitcoin to about $55,000, and that will be a great buying opportunity in my opinion if we go there. So that's one of the reasons why I want to take some profits out of the market, so I have money to deploy here. As well as when we go and take a look at altcoins, they have performed very, very well. So like Doge, just within the last 7 days, Dogecoin has actually made 100% gain here. And that's a coin that I made a video just 5 days ago. Are you bullish enough? And I was talking about Doge, that in my opinion, this is one of the best coins out there. Doge was my biggest bag, not anymore. I've transferred some of the capital into Bitcoin as well as USDC, but Doge here was 0.096, basically $0.1, and right now when we go and take a look at Doge, it went to 0.2, so it doubled in price. So I'm very, very happy that I was actually able to catch this pump here. JST is another coin that I was talking about a month ago. It's 0.04 now when I made the video here. Let's say here, 1 month ago, the price was 0.03. So that had a 34% pump within the last month. So pretty good. I'm still expecting JST to go further to the upside. So I did take some profits out of JST, not a whole lot. I do see more upside here. It's definitely not in a pump, in a mania at this moment, in my opinion, because the price increase has been very steady over the last month. Not a crazy pump like Doge. Then of course UNCX was another coin that I was talking about. It was 280 when I was talking about it. So not a crazy pump, but 20%, little bit, not as much as I hoped. It was 380 at some point. I did exit a little bit, but not enough. So currently, I'm looking at UNCX thinking this is a very good buying opportunity, so I don't want to sell it here. Another one is, I didn't talk about it in videos, but it is actually Theta. So I was talking about Theta on a Discord channel here, and the Discord group is actually free. So I talked about it only in the Denome Discord on 29th of February, and Theta here, in my opinion, has a lot of potential. And many people have made videos about Theta. I will link them in the description because I don't want to make a video about it. But just in short, what Theta allows you to do is it allows generative AI to use GPU power from their decentralized network. So if you have a computer, you can plug into the Theta network and you can borrow your GPU power to the network to basically generate AI images, AI videos. And the founders of Theta include a co-founder of YouTube, a co-founder of Twitch.tv. So this is a very, very interesting project. And in Q2 of this year, they will release the Edge cloud, which will allow cloud computing, AI to use cloud computing to generate images and videos. So if you think Nvidia had a crazy run up because it is powering the AI revolution, Theta is going to be the equivalent of that in crypto because they allow the GPU power to be used by these AI softwares or say AI services. So Theta, it went from 003 to right now when we go and take a look at Theta BTC, it is currently 0044 when I looked at it, 0045 right now. So it had a crazy pump from basically here to here, 50% gains on Bitcoin. So I'm very, very happy about the Theta call here as well. If Theta has a pullback, I will be buying it. I won't buy it into the pump here. I'm waiting for some kind of pullback and I'm just running with the bag that I have as well. I took some profits out because I do follow my altcoin profits taking strategy here as well. But all in all, that looks very, very good. But if we talk about fundamentals for Bitcoin, when we take a look at how much of Bitcoin are held by funds, unfortunately for the last month or so, you can see this is basically going sideways. So yes, the overall trend is going up, but as you can see, the peaks here are basically in a straight line, and right now we are even seeing some selling here. So ETFs look to me that they are actually slowing down on the buying. Maybe not, maybe yes, not 100% sure. If we go and take a look at some of the fundamentals of Bitcoin, MVRV ratio is still on the mid side here, about 70%. It should go although above 100% when we are at the bull run peak. Basically, we are not there yet, but it doesn't mean we may not have a pullback. And then, of course, more Bitcoin is exiting exchanges, which is bullish for Bitcoin. The funding rates are positive, which is not bullish for Bitcoin, but this funding rate is not as important for finding the peaks as it is for finding the bottoms here. More stablecoins are minted all the time. It has actually increased quite a bit, the stablecoin minting, which is again bullish for Bitcoin and crypto. But here, this is important. When we take a look at how much Bitcoin are held by different wallets, what we saw here in my previous video was a huge spike in this purple line, which represents wallets that have 1,000 to 10,000 coins. So the amount of wallets that have more than 1,000 coins basically increased by 120 wallets. But right now, what we are seeing is some sort of selling. So these big wallets have just sold some. So they are taking profits out. And I do believe many people are looking at the markets same as I do, that we are waiting for some kind of a pullback, like a 20% to that 55K range. Or what I'm looking for to basically buy back into the market is if we do something like this and we come and revisit the all-time high here. And this will be the other buying opportunity here right now. So yes, you can, if you don't have any Bitcoin, any crypto right now, then just getting into the market and DCAing in, dollar cost averaging in, is a good strategy. But if you have a huge stack of crypto already, then I do think taking some profits out makes a lot of sense. Just to make sure to get this pullback, or if we go above here to buy the pullback of this pullback or buy this pullback, basically one or the other. I don't want to buy the pumps, I want to buy the pullbacks. That's the general strategy. And just for Bitcoin on Google Trends, what we are seeing right now is we do see retail investors being more interested. Of course, Bitcoin made an all-time high against Euro, against other currencies out there. USD is the only one that hasn't made an all-time high yet, and it will come, but I do believe a pullback is coming first. Obviously, I could be wrong, but this is just my take on the situation, that there are some altcoins right now that are in very interesting positions. For example, MadicUSD is, when we take a look at MadicUSD, this is a coin that I've been talking about a little bit, but I haven't seen any crazy pumps here yet, and it looks to me like it wants to do that right about now. So Matic looks very, very good in my opinion, because it has broken to the upside here. We're looking at breakthrough on the what is it? The RSI here as well. So Matic looks very, very good in my opinion as well. So if you just want an idea what might be a good coin going forward, Matic looks to be very, very good. So taking some profits out of the meme coins, putting them here, looks very, very good. Obviously, meme coins can do whatever they want. They can pump to the moon if they want to. There's nothing that can stop the Doge coins of the market. But all in all, the markets look quite good, and just telling you to take some profits out. And again, watch this video here, and you can even watch this how I manage my crypto portfolio video. This has a little bit outdated information about some coins that I was bullish in the past. Unfortunately, I was wrong about those coins, but this basically tells you that there are 3 phases or 3 different portfolios that I try to manage, and what I'm going towards right now is the middle phase portfolio. So if you want to watch this video, I highly suggest, so you can actually manage your portfolio in this bull run as well. So these are the 2 main videos I suggest watching as well. So all in all, that's pretty much everything I have for this video. I hope you like this market update, and if you want to join the Discord, there's the link in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks and bye bye.